Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Cynthia, and I'm coming back at you with another box review, and this time we are unboxing and reviewing January's Beautyfix. Beautyfix is a mostly skincare, runs about $25 a month, and has sometimes full-size products in it, but mostly the larger samples than normal. All right, so let's get to it. You always are going to get your little information card with the products on both sides. And so let's see. The first product is kind of a weird product. I didn't know this even existed. And I'm guessing this is for people that work out and at a gym and then have to go to work maybe afterwards. And it is a Uni Shower. I think Uni is the name of the brand. Let me double check. Yeah, Uni Shower Sheets Large Body Wipe. This is the package, and I haven't opened it up because I feel like maybe I'll use it for something at some point in time. I don't work out and then go to work. I have to go to work very early in the morning, but I guess if you had to go to work after you work out at the gym, or if your kid plays a lot of sports and you needed to go from the sports field to somewhere else, this would be great. It's basically like taking a shower with your sheet. I don't know. I think that's kind of strange. Let's see. It says, whether you're about to snuggle in after a long day or having to rise and shine at brisk morning, you know that in-between stage of getting out of your bed and into clothes and feel the longest winter. This cleansing shower sheet, yes, we said shower sheet, will have you fresh in a flash. Isn't technology wonderful, is what it says. That is so bizarre. They do not have a price for any of these products on here, so unfortunately they don't do that on Beautyfix. Okay, so let's go to the next product. The next product is by Alterna, and it's the Caviar Anti-Aging Miracle Multiplying Volume Mist. And this is what our package looks like. And it did come completely full. And I have actually used this, I think 5 times thus far. And so you spray it on towel damp hair and style as usual, and it's supposed to give you a little more volume. And I like it. I think it gives subtle volume. I don't think it gives like crazy wild volume. And I'm curious to see if when I finish it, if I notice a difference without it. So I like it, and it smells really nice, and I'm glad it's in my box to give it a try. I haven't tried this brand before. All right, next is Joer Cosmetic. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. And we've got a highlight in Tiara, and it comes on this little card. Let me hold that a little closer. And I'm going to take it off the card because it's just attached. Actually, this was surprisingly a positive item in the box. This is what it looks like. You can see it's touching the lid here. But it's a nice little light golden color, and I actually have it on today. But I think this is going to go in a travel bag. I think it's great for traveling. Not that highlighters take up a whole lot of room, but this is not going to break, and you can avoid bringing one of your more expensive highlighters in luggage and having it break for you. All right, next is a Avene Retinol Cream. Here it is out of the package. This is what the box looks like if you are interested. And let me go ahead and read you the card for this. All right, a naturally healthy glow starts with treating your skin, and during wintry months, this anti-aging treatment pumps and fills in lines, that's good, and brightens skin tone without irritation. Its secret ingredient, question mark, a retinol substitute that visibly effective and formulated for all skin types. And this is a full size product. It is just over an ounce. I have not tried this yet because I do have some other retinol creams that are open, and I don't want to open it. I don't want to start the spoiling process possibly. So I'm going to save this until I need it. So that's great. The next product is the Lip Quench Derm Store Lip Quench. This has great reviews on their website. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up so you can see how it applies. There you go. And I like this a lot, especially during the winter months. And I have found that I've been using it on top of my matte lipsticks. When the matte lipstick dries down all the way, sometimes they get a little dry on your lips, and I'll just put a little bit of this on top of it, and it feels great. So I've been using that. I'll use this whole tube. Next is the Schematic Dermal Repair Cream, which I got none of. It did not make it in my box. Instead, I've got two of these little guys. This is the Skin & Company Roma Truffle Therapy Serum. Luxurious truffle makes everything better, and this serum is no exception. Antioxidant-rich formula with truffle extract. Works beyond the surface layer of your skin to restore a youthful, radiant complexion. So, I didn't get the other product, but I got two of these. So maybe that'll be enough to notice the difference, and we'll see. This is a twice-a-day serum. This is a in the evening serum. All right. So that's it. That's everything in the box. Like I said, unfortunately, we do not have prices for this, but I'm sure we can look them up online and give that information to you. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to click the thumbs up below. And also, don't forget, when I reach 50 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away 4 Grace and Stella eye masks. And 1 in 50, that's a pretty good chance of winning something. So be sure to subscribe below. And if you want to hit the notification button, that's the little bell, you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. All right, thank you for joining me, and you have a good day. Bye.